Tip 1. First, you need to prepare 6 sandwiches. Next, I need a small cup. I use the rim of the cup to press firmly into the center of the bread. As a result, I got a beautifully round bread core. Continue doing the same with the remaining quantity. Next, I placed each slice of bread into a separate compartment in the baking tray. I will cut the cheese into 4 pieces so that they fit into the compartments of the baking tray. Next, I place a slice of bacon in each compartment. Now, I slice 3 tomatoes into thin slices. Then arrange about 3 tomato slices in each compartment. The next step is the most important. I crack each egg into a bowl with a pouring spout. Then gently pour the egg yolk into the center. Next, I season with a pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavor. Then, I grate some cheese. Sprinkle it evenly over each compartment. Now I put the baking tray in the oven. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius. About 2 minutes. Once the dish was cooked, I took the baking tray out of the oven. Then sprinkled dill on top to enhance the aroma. And there you have it, a delicious and appealing dish. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Eggs and broccoli. This is a dish I really love. To start, I bring a pot of water to a boil, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Close the lid and turn on the stove. Next, you will need 1 head of broccoli, cut into small pieces. Once the water starts to boil, I add the washed broccoli and boil it for about 5 minutes until it's tender. Next, I remove all the broccoli from the pot and let it cool. Then, I chop the broccoli into small pieces and place them in a large bowl. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, add finely chopped parsley. Half an onion, diced into small cubes. Add 1 more red chili pepper to increase the spiciness of the dish. Now I crack the eggs into the egg yolk separator. I will select the white parts and put them in the vegetable bowl. For the red parts, I will select them and put them into 3 separate bowls. To enhance the flavor, I season the mixture with 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, Next, I prepare a skillet and lightly coat the entire surface with oil. I added about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the mixture. Then, I mixed all the ingredients thoroughly. I scoop portions of the mixture into the pan, then use a spoon to create a small round hole in the center of each pancake. I cover the pan, turn the heat to low, and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip the pancakes to ensure both sides are evenly cooked. Next, I pour the egg yolk I set aside earlier into the small round hole in the center of the pancake. Then, I cover the pan and continue cooking for about 3 more minutes until the egg is fully cooked. Finally, I remove the pancake from the pan. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious dish of eggs and broccoli. So today, we've made 2 super simple dishes together using eggs and vegetables. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.